Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, we will discuss the significance of Pakistan studies in understanding the origin, creation, and development of our beloved country, Pakistan. This lecture will cover several key points, providing a comprehensive overview of why this subject is essential for every Pakistani student. Historical context and national identity. Firstly, let's delve into the historical context and national identity. Pakistan studies provides us with an in-depth understanding of the historical events that led to the creation of Pakistan. This includes the decline of the Mughal Empire, the rise of British colonialism, and the subsequent struggle for independence. By studying these events, we can comprehend the socio-political environment that shaped the demand for a separate nation. Moreover, Pakistan studies helps in fostering a sense of national identity. It educates us about the struggles and sacrifices made during the independence movement. Learning about the contributions of key figures like Allama Iqbal, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and others instills a sense of pride and responsibility towards our nation. Ideological Foundation. Next, let's talk about the ideological foundation of Pakistan. One of the core concepts in Pakistan studies is the two-nation theory. This theory was the ideological basis for the creation of Pakistan, positing that Muslims in the Indian subcontinent constituted a separate nation, deserving of their own state to freely practice their religion and culture. Additionally, the subject explores the role of Islamic ideology in the formation of Pakistan. Understanding how religious and cultural values influenced the political landscape is crucial for appreciating the motivations behind our nation's creation. Political development. Moving on to political development, Pakistan studies covers the constitutional evolution of our country. From the Objectives Resolution of 1949 to the various constitutions adopted over the years, this subject helps us understand the political evolution and the challenges faced in establishing a stable democratic system. We also analyze different periods of governance, military coups, and civilian rule. This provides insights into the political dynamics and policy decisions that have shaped our nation over the years. Socio-Economic Development. Another important aspect covered in Pakistan studies is socio-economic development. This includes examining the economic policies and development plans implemented since independence, such as industrialization, agricultural reforms, and the economic challenges we have faced. Furthermore, the subject highlights social changes, including developments in education, health, and social services. Understanding these changes allows us to see how they have impacted the quality of life in Pakistan. Cultural heritage. Pakistan studies also brings to light the cultural heritage of our country. It highlights the cultural diversity of Pakistan, encompassing various ethnic groups, languages, and traditions. This fosters a sense of pride and appreciation for our rich cultural heritage. Additionally, the subject explores contributions to literature, arts, and architecture, showcasing the cultural achievements of our nation. Geopolitical significance. Lastly, let's discuss the geopolitical significance of Pakistan. By studying Pakistan studies, we understand our country's importance in South Asia, its relationships with neighboring countries, and its role in international organizations. This knowledge helps us appreciate Pakistan's strategic importance on the global stage. We also cover Pakistan's foreign policy, alliances, and conflicts, providing a comprehensive view of our international relations. In conclusion, Pakistan studies is vital for understanding the multifaceted aspects of our country's origin, creation, and development. It provides a comprehensive framework to appreciate the historical, ideological, political, socio-economic, and cultural dimensions of Pakistan. By studying this subject, we gain a deeper appreciation of our national heritage and are better equipped to contribute positively to the future of our nation. Thank you for listening, and I hope this lecture has helped you understand the importance of Pakistan studies. I have provided a PDF version of this lesson in video description as well. Goodbye.